Hi everybody, there's some minor issues with the Audi A4 1.9 TDI. At the moment there's 493 kilometers on the clock, 1000 kilometers, and the problem is that it's misfiring. So engine is juddering basically, so you rev and it starts to shake the car, and it's getting much worse all the time, and it's even shutting down the engine. So I checked the fault codes, and fault code said 19464 and 16705, and based on internet it should be the crank position sensor is not working. So I will change that and let's see will it get better or not. Usually it shakes a lot. Now it did it a few times. You can see actually that my hands are shaking because the engine is shaking. It's getting worse and worse. It has started to do this maybe 15,000 kilometers before sometimes, but now it's getting worse and worse, and basically I cannot drive anymore longer distance because I don't want to get on the road, so I have to fix it now.